Welcome back. I hope that all our future scientists are feeling refreshed and are ready to continue with the lesson. In front of you, you have the concept map again, and the first concept that we will be looking at is a description of the respiratory system. Here, we are basically providing a description of the system as a whole. We are looking at what it consists of and what exactly it does. So the respiratory system supplies body cells with oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. The respiratory system consists of organs and tissues that help during the exchange of gases. We are also going to be looking at those organs and tissues in more detail when we look at the components. The respiratory system includes your airways, your lungs, and blood vessels. Now, if you look at the picture alongside, you will be able to see a figure of a human, and in that figure you see the lungs located in the upper chest, the air passage that comes from your mouth or nose and branches off into the different lungs, the two lungs. We will look at the names of those organs and the different tissues in more detail when we look at the components, as well as the components and their functions. In front of you again, you have the concept map, which tells us that now we will be looking at the function of the respiratory system. Let us look at the function of the respiratory system. The respiratory system allows us to breathe. The system allows oxygen, gases, and pollutants to be brought into our bodies through inhalation and sends carbon dioxide through exhalation. We are also going to look at those two terms and see what happens during those two processes. The third function, this exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called gaseous exchange. Now, as the word suggests, it is an exchange of gases. We have our concept map in front of us again, and we will be looking at the components of the respiratory system. Remember that every system is made up of different organs. So, the organs in the respiratory system include the nose and the mouth, the lungs, the alveoli, the ribs, the intercostal muscles, the diaphragm. And then we also look at the airways and passages that are part of the respiratory system. First, we have the pharynx, then we also have the trachea, the bronchi, and the bronchioles. We will go for a quick ad break and we will be back shortly.